Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at another case for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and this case is made by Ringke. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Okay, before we get started, we're going to look at where you can get this from. You can get it from Amazon. It's the Ringke Fusion designed for Galaxy Note 10 Plus and the 5G 2019 Smoke Black. That's what this one is, as you can see right there. It's a picture of it. Now, Ringke makes good cases. I've been using their cases for years, and usually they're a clear case with the smoke bumper ones that I use pretty often. So this one is only $9.99, so that's a good price as well. Good protection, not too bulky. And I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, so Ringke always uses a simple packaging, eco-friendly package right there. Not a whole lot ultimate experience with Ringke. They just rip this off the top right here, pull this out, and they usually have a card inside. Tells you to remove the film and all that stuff. Most people will know that. But you got some film inside. We'll go ahead and peel that off in a minute. But as you can see, you got your opening for your S Pen speaker, your charging port, pretty spacious right there, and your mic hole. And you got a lanyard hole right there, lanyard opening. Power button, Bixby button, vibe up and down rocker. You got your mics and your speaker right there. Speaker mic right there. Nothing on this side. You got some Ringke branding right there. I believe that's what it is. Yeah, Ringke branding right there. The back, it's a pretty thin case, but it is raised up, so it's going to protect the camera. And you got on the corners, you have these little feet that will keep the back off of the surface, whatever you're using. Okay. So protect some scratches. I'm going to peel this plastic off, and then we'll put the phone in. Okay, so I got the Note 10 Plus here. We're going to go ahead and put it inside the case. I'll put the bottom in first. And a nice fit, and not bulky at all. Nice smoke edges right there with the white background. It looks pretty good. And you can see the camera's protected right there. So you got a raised area, the camera will be protected, and you got these little feet to protect the back. Now, Ringke always offers good protection on the front because they have this lip that comes up right there. It's not didn't protrude too much on this one, but you got enough to protect the screen. Screen protectors will work. It's not too high on the side, so I think your screen protectors will work there if you use those. You got plenty of room for your ports. You see the S Pen right there, speaker, charging port, and your mic. S Pen comes out pretty good, no problem. Be able to get to that, no problem there. And you got the little lanyard hole right there. Power button, that works pretty well. Vibe up and down rocker works. And you got your mic and your speaker hole right there. Okay, nothing on this side but your branding right there. But this looks pretty good. I like it. It's not too bulky. You can get your hands around there, no problem. And it's going to get you good protection. Now, okay, so we got the wireless charging stand, a pad up front. Let's put that on there, see what happens. Picks up wireless charge. I didn't think we'll have a problem. Let's check out the one that stands up and see how that works. Okay, so that works too. You see the charge right there. Same thing when you lay it down. Get a charge right there as well. So no problems there. Okay, so one of the things I did notice when I picked the phone up, it's a little bit loose in this area right here. Now I've noticed a lot of these cases for this phone is like that. In this area right here, it's a little bit loose. Not too bad though. I think it's tolerable, but this side is not too bad. But you can see that looseness right there. That moves too easy for me, and I don't particularly like that. Now, you know, they may fix that. This is pretty new. They may repair that and get that straight, but might want to look at that. But other than that, the case looks good, and I mean, it fits fairly well for the most part. That's just annoying to me. I'm kind of, you know, that's one of the pet peeves of mine. I want the snug fit and nothing moving around when I pick it up. But I still think it's a good case. Ringke makes good products, so. You know, I still would recommend getting this case if you're looking for something to slim to protect your phone that you can put on and take off pretty easily. Now, if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.